half a century of an exciting journey, which would not have been possible without our customers, partners, suppliers, contributors and employees. You have inspired and motivated us to continue growing and improving both in the field of civil infrastructure and natural risk management. To become pioneers in the field of infrastructure monitoring, always with a vocation for the future. As our founder, the engineer Ángel Pérez Saiz anticipated in 1971. In these 50 years, we have maintained our essence, working with closeness and trust, understanding the needs of our clients and creating tailor-made solutions using innovative tools such as BIM. But also promoting the stability and continuity of our team and building long-term relationships with our customers and partners. With this spirit and to honor these last 50 years, OFITECO renews its corporate identity. And this is how we face another 50 years of work, contributing our history, experience and values together with the solvency and rigor of our team, which strongly encourages us to look forward with confidence and optimism. Thank you all for continuing to join us in this adventure.